When it comes to cast iron cookware, this Stargazer 12-inch cast iron skillet is a product that stands out in the crowd. Made in the USA, this skillet combines modern innovation with classic durability to redefine your cooking experience. Whether you're an aspiring home chef or a seasoned professional, this skillet is a must-have in your culinary arsenal. Here's why the Stargazer skillet is worth every penny. Why choose Stargazer over other brands? The market is flooded with cast iron skillets, but few offer the same level of innovation, durability, and customer satisfaction as Stargazer. Here's how it compares. Smooth surface. Unlike many skillets with rough finishes, Stargazer's polished cooking surface enhances nonstick performance and makes cleaning effortless. Stay cool handle. Safety and comfort are prioritized with its innovative handle design. Drip-free rim. No need for additional spouts. This feature makes serving simple and mess-free. American craftsmanship. Supporting locally made products ensures superior quality while contributing to the economy. Eco-friendly. With no toxic coatings or harmful chemicals, it's safe for your family and the environment. 1. The perfect cooking surface. One of the most critical aspects of any skillet is its cooking surface. The Stargazer skillet features a flawlessly machined smooth surface, reducing food sticking to an absolute minimum. This not only makes cooking a breeze but also ensures quick and easy cleanup. Whether you're frying eggs, sautéing vegetables, searing a steak, or baking cornbread, the smooth non-stick finish guarantees even cooking and mouth-watering results. Imagine crafting perfect pancakes or golden brown crusts without the frustration of food sticking to the pan. Stargazer makes this dream a reality. Number 2. Unparalleled craftsmanship. Made in the USA. Each Stargazer skillet is individually crafted in the USA, showcasing the exceptional quality synonymous with American manufacturing. This isn't just a skillet, it's a work of art. Pre-seasoned and polished to perfection, it offers durability that rivals any other cookware on the market. Built for generations, Stargazer's commitment to quality ensures this skillet will serve you and your family for years to come. 3. Modern design for contemporary kitchens. The Stargazer skillet isn't just functional, it's stylishly modern. With extended stay-cool handles, you'll enjoy greater comfort and safety when cooking. These handles stay cooler for longer, even on high-heat stovetops, giving you the confidence to focus on your culinary creations without worrying about burns. Say goodbye to cumbersome mitts or awkward grips. This ergonomic design changes how you handle cast iron. 4. Drip-free pouring innovation. Forget the mess associated with traditional pour spouts. The Stargazer skillet's flared rim design ensures seamless pouring from any angle. Whether you're pouring a sauce, draining excess oil, or transferring a dish from stovetop to table, you can count on a hassle-free experience every time. 5. Unrivaled durability and longevity. Crafted with pure iron and no toxic chemicals, this skillet is built to withstand the test of time. Renowned for its smooth surface finish and practical design, it's not just cookware, it's an heirloom piece. Pass it down through generations, and it'll still deliver the same impeccable performance. 6. Lifetime warranty for peace of mind. The Stargazer skillet is backed by a lifetime warranty, reflecting the company's confidence in its product. If there's ever a defect or failure due to proper use, Stargazer will repair or replace it at no cost. This level of commitment is rare in today's market, making the skillet a risk-free investment. Imagine owning cookware so dependable that it's guaranteed for life. That's the Stargazer promise. Versatility meets functionality. The Stargazer skillet excels across a variety of cooking methods. Stovetop works seamlessly on gas, electric, or induction cooktops. Oven, perfect for baking or roasting. Campfire, a durable companion for outdoor cooking adventures. Cleaning and maintenance tips. To ensure your skillet remains in top condition. 1. Hand wash only. Avoid using dishwashers as they can strip seasoning. 2. Season regularly. Though pre-seasoned, occasional reseasoning will enhance its non-stick properties over time. 3. Avoid drastic temperature changes. Sudden cooling can cause warping. Conclusion: this Stargazer 12-inch cast iron skillet is more than just cookware. It's a game changer for your kitchen. Its smooth, non-stick surface, ergonomic design, and superior craftsmanship make it an exceptional choice for chefs and home cooks alike. Whether you're searing meats, baking desserts, or frying breakfast favorites, this skillet delivers unparalleled performance and durability. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.